Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in the quiet residential development of Rosevale. This house has a few added bonuses. Included in the room count is a self-contained 1-bedroom apartment that can be used as an income earner or guest quarters. For your relaxation, there is also a gazebo and a hot tub. There is a full bathroom attached to the gazebo as well. Rosevale is just 20 minutes from the airport and just 15 minutes from the shopping center, restaurants, and entertainment mall of Witter Village. The land area of this house is 5,102 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.